Okay, let's go for a first impression video of that SealLine Pro Duffel Bag. It's the 40-liter model. I have the black and the orange right over here. And just a first impression video, but I will test that bag deeply because it's the one I choose to do my next bike expedition. So, why did I pick it? I was looking for a dry bag to put my stuff at the back of my bike. And I didn't know it exists because in my head, a dry bag is those bag that you just put your stuff inside and you got that roll top thing on top. And when you want something, well, you de-roll it and you grab the stuff at the end. Well, there's too much stuff, you remove everything, you go grab it, but at least it's dry. Now, this one, it got a zipper. And what I didn't know it exists is that this bag is submersible at a point that, as you can see, it's airtight. Actually, it's only filled with air. There's nothing inside. And you can see that both of them, there's absolutely no air that is getting out. Unless I open it just a little bit, you can hear it, you see? That's just mind bugging for me. So, okay, not only that, it's a duffel bag. So the kind of bag you open on top, have access to everything and then shut the zipper off. But it's also a backpack. And really, I didn't try it yet for a very long distance, but I did try it loaded, and it's actually comfortable. There's nothing at the back like a real backpack, but still, it's comfortable. I believe that my back will get sweat because it's not really breathable, but it's comfortable. So you got those backpack strap that, I have to say, can be removed on both sides. Kind of easy at the bottom, and on top it's also very easy to remove. So that's very, very quick to remove. Those backpack strap can be attached together, so you can just use it as a duffel bag handle. You've got strap here on the side, you've got other strap here on the side, you've got strap here, you've got strap there, you've got strap everywhere. You've got those part here where you can pass other strap to attach it on something. You got it on both sides. It's really a great bag. If you want, we can compare it with the Yeti. That's the Panga 50. Oh my God, I love the quality of that bag. You can feel that it's made stronger. This one, I would not care to pitch it on the rock, on the sands, anywhere, unless for the stuff that is inside, but I would never worry about the durability of the bag. This one, well, much more lighter, but the material is thinner, so I believe it's not as durable as the Yeti Panga. But the reason I take this one is because there is more handle. It's the shoulder strap are easier to remove. It's also smaller because this one is the smallest. This one is the smallest they done, and it's too big for my bike trip. Okay, so yeah, it's thin, and actually it looks very. I don't know how to say. See, it's great, but as soon as you open it and there's no more air inside, actually it looks fine, but let's say that I put it just like that. You see, that's the thing. Other thing, that would be great if the zipper could open a bit more, because when you want to have access, it's kind of limited. It doesn't open enough. I think it could open more. I don't know if I will do it, but I did build that card box stuff just to put inside so that the bag doesn't, I think I won't need it, but that's a possibility. You just take a card box and you put it inside, and it just won't do that. I don't think I will keep it. So it's just because if you load it with stuff and then it, forget it. That's great. So yeah, that's the SealLine Pro Duffel Bag. It's made in the United States, and well, yeah, after testing few bags, that will be the one that I will bring with me on my next bike adventure. I thought I would go with the black one first, but after thinking about it, that will be my electronic stuff that will be inside. There will be a lot of sun on it all day long, and I don't want my electronic stuff to be in an oven all day long, so I'll go with orange. That will reflect the heat instead of keeping it. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Take care, and I'll see you in another video. See ya.